Hey there people, welcome back to another episode of Eat with Vivek. In today's episode, we are trying out Paneer Tikka from Punjabi Nawabi. This place is in Indiranagar. I've never been there. I found it on Zomato. The pictures look good and the reviews were good. So I thought, why don't we try it? Let's get on to the show. This is the plate of Paneer Tikka that came from Punjabi Nawabi. I was really happy to see this. It was a really colorful package, and when I opened the box to take pictures, the smell was really welcoming. I just wanted to hog it right there, but then again, we had to do this video. So I told myself, not now, not now. So we're going to do it now. They sent us a small packet of onions, cucumber, green chili and a small wedge of lemon. They've also sent us a small box of mint chutney. You have to see how well they've presented this. Oh, this smells really good. That shade of orange and the charred shade of all that black with that capsicum, it looks really beautiful. And the way it smells, it makes me just want to dig in right now. 250 grams of paneer in this box. I would say that's a good deal because I paid just 200 rupees for this. First, I'm going to squeeze the lemon juice on this. I'm gonna just drizzle one drop on a piece. Like always, the first bite is just going to be the plain paneer tikka. This is going to be the first piece of paneer we will be trying for today. It's coated well with all the masalas. It's charred beautifully. And for the first bite, they've added kevra water to this. I can definitely say that. Not many places do. And when they do, you can make the smell and taste of that. It is outstanding. It is nice. This dish is really nice. It comes on the medium spice level. But flavor wise, it's really nice. I just can't say anything more than this. I'm at a loss of words. All I can say is this paneer tikka, Punjabi Nawabi. I can't wait to try more dishes from your place. And now for a piece of paneer that is layered with onions. Again, beautifully charred, and into my mouth it goes. I'll dip it with a little bit of chutney. The green on this orange looks really beautiful, doesn't it? The onions work their magic really well. The onions are here not for the flavor, but to give you a difference in texture. They are crunchy and they add the slight sweetness to the dish. It is really nice. I don't think we'll be using the salad at all. Because the marination was coating all the onions so well, I thought it was going to be just pieces of paneer. And I did see a capsicum slice, and I thought they'll be missing the onions, so we'd have to use this. But the onions are so skillfully layered in between layers that I don't think I'll be using this at all. So bye bye to this salad packet. Now for another piece of paneer with a slice of tomato this time. So here goes. It is like as though they had planned on this. Because I started from this corner of the box. I started out with onions and paneer, and then next came tomato with paneer, and then the next slice is capsicum with paneer. So here is our next slice of paneer, topped with a piece of capsicum. I really do love capsicum in its tandoor. It gives out that very beautiful aroma, and I just can't wait to try this. I really wish you people could be eating this right now because it tastes that damn good. The crunchiness and the flavor burst of the capsicum is so wonderful in the mouth. I'm just gonna finish this. And I'm down to the last piece of paneer. That piece of paneer is going to be sandwiched in between a slice of tomato and capsicum, and that will be the end of this show. But before you go, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel if you really enjoy watching my content. A really big and beautiful piece of paneer sandwiched in between a slice of tomato and capsicum. Here is a very close view of it. And now we take the bite. I thought the show was over, but looks like I've still got a few things to tell you. The tenderness of the paneer, the crunchiness of the capsicum, and the juiciness of the tomato. Wow, mind blown. This was a really good dish. Out of all the paneer tikkas I've had till now, I enjoyed this and the Empire Paneer Tikka the most. We've got one more paneer tikka left in our series, and once I'm done with that, I will let you know which was the topmost paneer tikka. Till then, take care, stay safe, and goodbye.